But the statement is that stress is not what the world does to you, it's what you bring to the world. I couldn't control what the world was doing to me. And I think that becomes apparent to us at some point. We'll try as we may. We really do try and control our external circumstances and make things work out the way they need to, and make sure, the job is going well and the family's sorted and this is that, and we get all of these things fixed, and then I can finally be at peace. Because nothing's going wrong and everything's sorted. And yet it just seemed very clear to me that the moment you solved one problem, another one would come, and you'd get rid of that one, and then there'd be another one, and it just seemed relentless. And it just seemed like I had no control over any of them. Because the Tibetans historically never had a word for guilt. This kind of guilt and shame, as I've just described it, the nearest thing they had would translate to intelligent regret that decides to do things differently. That's very different, isn't it, from good old Western guilt and shame and you're a terrible person. Just intelligent regret that decides to do things differently. You did something bad and you go, okay, I'll do something different next time. That's a very, very healthy way of looking at it, but it's not what's common for most of us. I used to be a very, very angry person. I've punched holes in walls. I've done all sorts of stupid things. And I can see year by year how my anger reduces in frequency and intensity. If that's not evidence of the fact that it's not inherent within me, then what is? If it was inherent within me, I wouldn't be able to reduce it. I shouldn't be able to. But the fact that I can, year on year, and notice a bit less suffering, a bit happier, a bit calmer, a bit kinder, well, that shows that those things can't be inherent within me. So this is what the Dalai Lama refers to when every being is precious. That's a mistake. Why would you hate yourself when that's your true nature? When what you're hating really is the mental afflictions. You're hating those things that are making you act in stupid ways. And those are not who you are.